Looking for the best circular saws to tackle your projects? In this video, we'll be showcasing the top 5 best circular saws that combine power, precision, and durability to help you cut through any material with ease. Let's dive in and find the perfect one for your needs. Let's get started. Item number 5, experience precision and power with our cordless circular saw. Featuring a high-speed brushless motor that runs at 6,700 RPM, it effortlessly cuts through materials of all types. Designed for one-handed operation, it ensures maximum control and comfort. Adjust the cutting depth up to 42 millimeters and tackle bevel cuts with a 0 to 45 degree angle. With enhanced safety features, including a switch lock and built-in LED lighting for visibility, this saw is perfect for both professional and home projects. Item number 4. Discover the versatility of our electric circular saw, designed for Makita 18-volt batteries, not included. With a no-load speed of 10,800 RPM and a 125mm blade, it efficiently cuts through wood, PVC, MDF, plywood, stone, ceramic tiles, and more. The adjustable bevel angle, 0 grease to 45 grease, offers multi-angle cutting, while the solid metal guide plate ensures precision. A soft rubber handle provides comfort and control, and the built-in safety features make it ideal for both professionals and DIYers. Item number 3. Introducing the PATUOPRO cordless circular saw, designed for precision and power. With a brushless motor and a no-load speed of 6,800 RPM, it effortlessly cuts through various materials. The 125mm blade offers a cutting depth of up to 42 millimeters with a 0 to 45 degrees adjustable bevel angle for versatile cutting. The lightweight, one-handed design reduces fatigue, while the built-in LED ensures visibility in dark environments. Ideal for DIY projects, this saw provides both safety and performance. Item number 2. Experience the power and efficiency of our cordless circular saw with a pure copper brushless motor running at 4,000 RPM. With a 125mm carbon steel blade, it easily cuts through thick wood and delivers long-lasting performance. The lightweight, 6.3 pounds design ensures comfort even for extended use, while the double switch and protective cover prioritize safety. Featuring high-quality materials like aluminum, nylon, and glass fiber, this saw provides excellent durability and is perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Item number 1. Introducing the 7-inch circular saw, powered by a brushless motor for efficient performance with a maximum speed of 10,800 RPM. With a 160mm blade and a cutting depth of 45.5mm at 90 degrees and 35.5mm at 45 degrees, it's perfect for cutting wood, PVC, MDF, plywood, stone, and tiles. The adjustable 0 to 45 degree bevel angle and solid metal guide plate ensure precision. Designed for comfort, the soft rubber handle reduces fatigue, and the safety features provide peace of mind during use. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe this channel